Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And today I am going to be sorting through some shoes, scarves, and other accessories, so stay tuned. As always, I would love to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. I will link her channel in my description box below, along with all the other fabulous Tiny Tidy Tuesdayers who participate in this collaboration as well. I am now on part 4 of my closet tidying, and today I'm going to be tidying up some scarves, decluttering, and going through scarves, shoes, purses. I think I have some hats, some other things like that. And then I will only have one part left, which is my jewelry and my makeup. So let's get started. I would just like to thank you so much for clicking on this video. As I declutter my closet, anytime I declutter or I am looking at things to see what I need or what I do not need, I ask myself a question, and that question is, would I wear or use this today? If the answer is yes, I keep it. If the answer is no, I simply get rid of it. And that's how I find it most beneficial to do my decluttering. For those of you who might be new to my channel, my name is Jen. I do a variety of content. I am a former teacher. I am a heart failure survivor and currently still a heart warrior. And I would love to have you in my YouTube family.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can.
I do like to use pretty boxes and purses and bags from the past that I can store things in. So that's why you see some Tiffany bags, some Louis Vuitton boxes, that kind of thing, because I do use it for storage and I love doing that.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way.
thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out the other channels in my description box. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.